Greetings viewers, Adventure Link here, back again with an unboxing video for you guys. Yay! What we have here is the iPhone 6s Plus in gold, or rose gold rather, sorry. 64 gigs model. This is what some of what you can get in here. So, let's get started. You already know how I feel about these little poly bags, so I'm not going to go into that. Of course, you got to remove this plastic here. Fortunately, I've been growing my fingernails out for the last couple months now, so I was able to open up this really easily. Much easier than in the 6 Plus video. Unfortunately, I did see a little bend in the box. So you get this out of the way. Looks like it's going to play nice today. Sweet. Keep on going. Bomb shake. Well, actually, it's out. As you can see, you got the grand prize. Your iPhone 6s Plus. Or 6s Plus in rose gold. There are other colors out there. Remove that. Of course, you already know what's in here. It's the envelope. It's got everything you want to know about this thing. Open it up. And you get the iPhone 6s Plus diagram, iPhone info, and two more Apple stickers. Yay! And another pair of headphones. Yay! And another charger. Yay! Well, this ain't an Avenger, Dart, or a Challenger. Also charger. I hope this one is Pentastar V6 or Hemi V8. And we now have another Lightning to USB cable. Yay! But as for a Hope, Sag, or Vanilla cable, who knows? And so concludes another unboxing video of the iPhone 6s Plus. I'm Adventure Link. Thank you all for watching. I know this is a little bit late with the unboxing, but this has always been a problem with Apple phones at least ever since when I got my 6 Plus. There was always things about how it would take longer and longer to get it. Whereas with Androids, especially Samsung's, I was able to get it in a reasonable time frame. But there it is, all in its unboxing glory. Feel free to rate and subscribe, share it with your friends. Hopefully this gets you pumped up for your own 6S or 6S Plus. As always, you can, like I said, rate and subscribe. It's down in the video description. Comment section is down below the video description. If you got any questions, comments, concerns, praise, criticisms, well wishes, prayers, etc. But no flames fighting, spam baiting, or other such bullcrap and butthurt comments. Please take it to the comment section. I guess that's about it. Just, when it's cold outside, stay warm and bundle up. When it's hot outside, stay cool, stay in shape, put your sunscreen on, eat right, stay active, stay hydrated, stay healthy. Don't let others push you around. And this has been Adventure Link signing off with the wise words of wisdom from Eric the Car Guy. Reminding you guys to be safe, have fun, and of course, stay dirty. And stay high technical. Peace out.